What's up, everybody? Ice Time here with a new video. This one has been requested in comments on previous videos. We're going to go over teleporting again, but this time we are teleporting from one place or game to another. So without further ado, let's get started here. You can see that I did a little pre-work already. I just have my little part that I'm going to run into to teleport. It doesn't have to be anything fancy. It can just be a block on the ground that you walk onto. It can be something you walk into if you want a portal. I just threw up a little teleport hallway here. So we are going to write the script out. Something you're going to need for the script, though, is your place ID that you're trying to teleport to. If you're unfamiliar, just go to the place you're trying to teleport to and make sure you get the ID number from the URL bar. Alright, so getting started here, we'll declare our variables first. So we need the teleport service. We're just going to call it TP service. You can call your variables whatever you want, just make sure that you know what you're referencing. Game get service, teleport service. Alright, we need the part that is going to act as the teleporter. We're just going to call this part, and for us this is workspace.teletouch, which is what I named the part. Again, whatever you name it, make sure that's what you reference in your variable, otherwise it won't work. We need our place ID, which for where we're teleporting to is the following. Alright, now I own this place that we're teleporting to, so there's no additional work needed. If you were teleporting to a place that you do not own, somebody else's game for instance, you do need to go to the game settings, security, and allow third-party teleports. So game settings, security, allow third-party teleports. If you're teleporting from one place you own to another, you don't need to do that. And you can add a debounce if you want. We're not gonna for this. If you were doing it for a game where you can teleport from one place to another multiple times, then you'd want to add a debounce just to give it a few seconds, make a cooldown before the player can teleport again. So for us, we're going to now set our function here, a local function. We'll call it vanish, and we're going to be looking for other part, which other part will just be the part on our character that touches the teleporting part. Alright, we're gonna look to see if it's a player. So local player equals game.players, find first child, and we're gonna be looking for the name of the player. So other part, whatever part of your body touches the teleporter, dot parent, which would be your character, and we want the name. Alright, so if player, then we'll call our teleport service, and we're going to tell it to teleport. So we need two things. We need the place ID of where we're trying to teleport and who we're trying to teleport. So we have those in variables. So we have our place ID, comma, space, and our player. Alright. And lastly, you need to set the triggering event for that function. So this is the easiest part here. We're going to go back to our part variable, which is our teletouch part. We're going to feed it the touched event. And when it's touched, we're going to connect the vanish function. And you can just delete any extra parentheses. Just like that, the script is done, guys. It's a short one. You can see some notes I put down here. So a big thing to note, you cannot teleport from one place to another in Roblox Studio it has to be from a published game or a published place to another published game or published place. So once you get your script all done, make sure you go ahead and publish your game, otherwise it will not work. Again, if you just try and go into playtest in Studio, it won't work. Actually, we can go ahead and show this. So if I go to play, you'll get in the output window. By the way, if you're testing scripts, always have your output window open. Exception while signaling, cannot teleport in Roblox Studio. And you can see it triggered 21 times because I don't have a debounce set in the script. But that's the error you're going to get if you try and test this in Roblox Studio. It has to be from a published place to another published place. So, go ahead and publish your place. I already have mine. If you want, you can test from mine. And under the Icetime Studios group, I have the tutorial for it. Icetime Studios tutorial, teleport to new game. So we'll go ahead and run this. Let Roblox boot it up for us. And I did make this open source. It's uncopylocked, so if you guys want to grab yourselves a copy of it or just go into edit and grab the script for yourself, feel free to do so. So we're just going to run into our place here, and it is going to teleport us to the place ID that I gave it, which was for Retro Run, which is another game that I worked on here for a game jam by Infinite Canvas. So, ta-da, you can see it worked, everybody. We're no longer in the tutorial space, we're now inside a Retro Run. And that's all there is to it. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave them in comments below the video. Please remember to like and subscribe if you'd be so kind. And that is all I have for you guys. If anything else comes up, I'll leave it as a comment on the video. Otherwise, I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.